He may have been the first person to circle the entire globe. You've never heard his name. Enrique of Malacca was purchased as a slave by Ferdinand Magellan sometime around 1511, a decade before the famous voyage even began. He traveled everywhere Magellan went. He learned languages. He survived. When Magellan's fleet reached the Philippines in 1521, Enrique could understand the people there. He could speak to them. That moment meant something enormous. It meant he was close to home, and he had arrived by sailing west from Europe. When Magellan was killed in battle, Enrique disappeared from the written record entirely. No one tracked where he went. No one wrote down what happened next. But if he made it back to Malacca, he had done it. He had gone all the way around the world, before any Spanish captain, before anyone history chose to remember. The expedition's survivors got the monuments, the statues, the glory. Enrique got silence. History's footnotes, the people, the textbooks left out, follow for more forgotten stories that changed history.